Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today we are bringing you a coach from the #1 name in luxury gas motorhomes. This is the 2013 Tiffin Allegro Open Road 36LA. For those who want Tiffin's legendary build quality, but prefer the simplicity and maintenance of a gas powertrain, the Open Road is the absolute benchmark. This particular coach has only 36,000 original miles on the clock. At 36 feet long, it features 2 large slide-outs that expand beautifully to create a massive, residential-style interior once you hit the campground. Just look at the exterior presentation. This coach is wrapped in Tiffin's Sunlit Sand graphics package. This is a premium multi-stage full-body paint job. Because it comes out of Tiffin's world-class paint facility in Red Bay, Alabama, the depth and shine on these gold, tan, and dark mocha tones are just gorgeous. You won't find any cheap vinyl decals peeling or cracking here. This is automotive-grade paint designed to stay beautiful for decades with minimal maintenance. For outdoor living, you are exceptionally well-equipped. You have a power patio awning and a dedicated power door awning that create a massive shaded space for your campsite. You also have a complete window awning package and protective slide toppers installed over both slides to keep debris, leaves, and rainwater away from your slide seals. Throughout this walk-around, notice the polished aluminum wheels and the overall condition of the fiberglass caps. From the frameless windows to the side view cameras integrated into the mirrors, every detail indicates a coach that was the true pride of ownership. We're going to continue our walk around the coach and then dive into the utility systems that make this particular Allegro a massive standout on our lot. Let's move down to the foundation and systems, because this open road sits on the heavy-duty Ford 24K chassis. This is the strongest, highest-capacity gas chassis Ford offers, providing a very stable, confident ride on the highway. Powering your journey is the reliable Ford 6.8-liter V10 gas engine, producing 362 horsepower and 457 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the TorqShift 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Now let's talk about a massive upgrade. This coach is fully solar-equipped. We have 4 roof-mounted solar panels and a dedicated solar controller already installed. This is an incredible feature for those who want to boondock or dry camp, as it constantly keeps your batteries topped off without needing to run your generator. If you do need extra power, you have a large Onan 7.0 kilowatt gas generator with only 389 hours of use. This unit provides more than enough juice to run both of your roof ACs and all your appliances simultaneously. You'll also find pass-through basement storage compartments with plenty of room for your gear, 50-amp service with an extension cord, a Magnum inverter charger, and a battery disconnect. Around the back, you have a 5,000-pound trailer hitch and a rear-view camera system. Setup at the campground is effortless, thanks to the 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with simple touchpad controls. Every system on this Allegro is designed for maximum utility and reliable long-term travel. Let's head inside and see how Tiffin's legendary craftsmanship continues in the cabin. Step up into the Allegro and you are immediately greeted by a wide-open residential-style layout. The 36LA floor plan is highly sought after because it manages to fit 1.5 bathrooms into a highly maneuverable 36-foot coach. Take a look at this front snapshot. The woodwork, the premium lighting, and the sheer volume of the living space are classic Tiffin luxury. It truly feels like a custom apartment on wheels from the moment you step through the door. The kitchen is a chef's dream on the road, featuring beautiful solid surface countertops and an abundance of cabinetry. You have a massive stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, a gas stove and oven, and a microwave. Right in the center of the coach is your entertainment hub, featuring a large TV and an electric fireplace. The fireplace adds a cozy ambiance and serves as a great source of electric heat on those cool mornings. The residential sink and faucet make prep work simple, and the overall storage in this galley is outstanding. Looking forward, the front cockpit features plush captain's chairs and an additional 32-inch TV mounted above the seats, so no one misses the action. Directly adjacent is your dining area, featuring an extendable dining table with 4 chairs. 2 of these chairs easily fold up and stow away when you don't need them, keeping your living space open and uncluttered. The middle living room is designed for grand-scale comfort and relaxation. The highlight here is a massive L-shaped sleeper sectional sofa, paired with a comfortable low-profile recliner. This seating arrangement is perfectly situated to enjoy the primary 42-inch TV and that cozy electric fireplace. When it's time for bed, the sectional features a large pull-out bed, ensuring you can comfortably sleep up to 4 people in this coach. The windows throughout the lounge are huge, flooding the space with natural light and giving you a perfect view of your campsite. It is a fantastic social area that truly reflects the flagship status of Tiffin's Allegro line. Tucked right off the living area is your private half bathroom. This is an incredible convenience feature for your guests, ensuring they have their own dedicated toilet, sink, and vanity during the day. This layout keeps your master suite entirely private at the back of the coach, while providing a secondary restroom that includes a power vent fan to keep the space fresh. Welcome to the Master Retreat. This is your private sanctuary at the back of the coach. It features a comfortable queen-sized bed situated in its own slide-out, providing plenty of walk-around space. You have your own dedicated 32-inch TV back here, along with a massive wardrobe closet and an abundance of drawer storage for all your travel attire. Because this room is separated from the front by a solid door, it serves as a quiet, peaceful room for a great night's rest. Tiffin's signature wood craftsmanship really shines back here. Prepare to be impressed by this full-width master bathroom at the very back of the coach. It features a large sink and vanity with plenty of counter space, a toilet, and a high-volume power vent fan. The centerpiece is a huge shower enclosure with solid glass doors and a skylight that adds a beautiful amount of natural light and extra headroom. And look right here in this vented closet. We have a washer and dryer combo already installed. Having the ability to do your laundry right on board is a massive luxury that turns this coach into a completely self-sufficient home while you're exploring the country. It is a clean, bright, and incredibly functional bathroom that offers the ultimate comfort. As we move back out of the master bath and walk through the bedroom, you can really appreciate how spacious this master suite feels. Having the full bath at the absolute rear gives the bedroom a true master suite flow. You've got great clearance around the bed, and the ceiling fan overhead keeps the air moving beautifully. It's a beautifully optimized space. Walking back through the hallway and into the living room, you can see how well-designed the transitions are. The layout is optimized to ensure you never feel cramped, whether you are relaxing on the sectional or cooking up a meal in the kitchen. Settling into the driver's seat, you have a commanding view of the road. Your hydraulic leveling controls, TorqShift automatic shifter, and camera monitors are all within easy reach. Step back outside, it is easy to see why the 2013 Tiffin Allegro Open Road 36LA is a favorite among gas motorhomes. To recap, you are looking at a 36-foot coach with only 36,000 miles, a V10 gas engine, 1.5 baths, a 4-panel solar package, laundry on board, and that stunning Sunlit Sand full-body paint. If you want to see this coach in person, give us a call at 864-2609-276 or email us at sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see the full spec sheet. And as always, happy camping!